Number 2, an equilateral triangle has a perimeter of 1,500 feet. So equilateral triangle has a perimeter of 1,500 feet. Now, what is an equilateral triangle? It's a triangle with congruent sides and congruent angles. In this case, we only care about the congruent sides. If the height of the triangle is equal to, if this height right here is equal to x radical 3, what is the value of x? Now, the equilateral triangle, it also just so happens that the angles are also important here. We have 60 degrees, and this 60 degrees is bisected. So we have 30, 60, 90 triangle. We can redraw this down here. We'll have a 60, 30, a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Here is 500. So we know that half of the hypotenuse of a 30, 60, 90 triangle will be the shortest leg of that triangle. So we have 250 over here. We can multiply the shortest leg by radical 3 to get to the height of this equilateral triangle. We were asked for x. X will be 250. A cool trick that you can use the next time you have a question like this is if you're given the perimeter of an equilateral triangle, just divide that number by 6 to get to that value of x. And that works because if you think about it, if we split each of these equilateral triangle sides, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those half sides, and we multiply that by radical 3 to get to the longer side of the 30, 60, 90 triangle.